August 3rd, and what's that? What would you call that moon? Alright, man, that is not correct. You see all the fucking electricity in there? I'm putting the moon right in the middle. Why is it fucking moving? Okay, that moon is like 1/3 full. So that means 2/3 of it's empty as far as my eye can see. And why is it moving all over the fucking place? I'm telling you, this moon is like freaking, like a big spaceship or something. Check it out. That moon is 1/3 full. Guys, look it up on the moon map or whatever you do for that stuff, and look at that. I don't even know there's such thing as that kind of moon. And why was it moving all over the place? Let's see if it moves now. I know I'm not moving. And what's all this? Look at the electricity in the air. You see what I'm talking about? Alright. I am not moving for it to be going up off the screen of the fucking phone. Oh my god, dude. This is crazy. That moon is alien. There's aliens on the moon. Or in a spaceship using it to hide. That's fucking crazy. Alright, let me show you something. Just so that you guys don't say that it's me, alright? I'm holding that top of the tree in the middle of the freaking phone. See that? I can hold it without it going off the freaking phone screen. And why is this guy moving all over the place? He's like doing what the other guys do, zigzagging. Yep, I'm convinced that they're using the moon to camouflage whatever. That's like the mothership or something. I think I'm getting, like, look at that. Have you ever seen a moon with a straight line down one side of it like that? And it keeps going off the page. See? And why is it, look at the fucking orange shit in the air, man. It's like electricity's coming all over the place. No wonder I feel so weird lately. It's a beautiful night out though. See, now he's staying in the middle of the screen. But look at the orange. Alright, that's just fucking weird. Super weird. That's me moving, okay? See, I'll admit it. But look at the sky and all that orange shit. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. I'm not gonna bore the shit out of you guys, but the moon calendar, the moon up there that I'm looking at with my naked eye is only 1/3 full. And have you ever seen a moon with a straight line down the side of it? I haven't. Alright, it'll be up there for a while, so I'll come back. Okay, and I don't know if that's Old Faithful or not up there. I don't know if you guys can either see it, because I can't see it. Alright, there he is. Yep, middle of the screen. He vanished. There he is, middle of the screen. There's my buddy, Old Faithful, I think. I'm not sure, he's not in his regular spot. He's a little bit over the driveway. See that? That's him. Okay, that's my story. We got a moon that's fucking tripping out. And Old Faithful's not in his proper position. Unless he is over there somewhere. He is over there. Look at that shit. Okay. Moon right here. Fucking weird ass moon, man. That's the weirdest looking moon I ever seen. And then Old Faithful. Dun dun dun. He's like in the middle of the screen. See him blinking? I think think that's him. Yeah, that's him. See that? That's my buddy, Old Faithful. He's blinking at me. I think he just beamed me in the head because I just felt the same thing I felt last night. Space beamed me. Where it's like my whole body tingles all of a sudden. It's like fucking they're raping me or something. I don't know. So yep, Old Faithful. Crazy ass moon right here. Look on the moon chart. It should only be a third full. Oh, fuck. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. It looks a third full on the screen, too. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? It's a third full right now with the naked eye. Holy fucking shit. That is so weird. Look at the sky. It's like got orange shit in it. Oh my god, dude, that was so weird, and it still is so weird. Now he's going back down to the moon shape, but look at that. I don't think he could hold the fucking... I don't even know if that is the moon. That's over west. The moon doesn't come up in the west, does it? No? I'm too trippers out, Old Faithful. Don't feel neglected up there. I gotta trip out on this moon. Oh my god, that's the craziest shit I've seen yet. Oh my god, dude, look at that. What the fuck? What the fuck is it doing? Oh my god. Is that even the moon? Does anybody else see this shit, or am I the only one tripping on this? Oh my god, dude. Now look at it. Now look at it. Did I hit a button? No. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. This is the first time I've actually been scared over the past couple months doing this every other night. Sometimes I miss a night, you know, cloudy nights and shit. But I gotta stay on this motherfucker. Holy fucking shit. Is that even the moon? I don't even think the moon doesn't... Okay, that's west. That's southwest. The moon doesn't come up in the southwest, does it? Look at Old Faithful up there feeling all neglected. Let me get back on him real quick. See him? Okay, middle of the screen. What's more exciting, that or this fucking moon? Look how small it is now. Oh my fucking god, dude. This is fucking nuts. That just, oh my god, what the fuck am I seeing here? Holy shit, that's scaring the shit out of me. That's the weirdest shit yet. That's like big. Oh my god, how am I the only one seeing this shit? Because it only looks like a third moon in the sky, and you have a camera aimed at it. Alright, I gotta sit down. This guy's flipping me out. Oh my god. Alright, I'm sitting down now. Did you guys see what that fucking moon did? Holy shit. I gotta stay. I was gonna zip out of this, but it's going on 10 minutes now. Because I guess YouTube video says I gotta have content. This is fucking content. We got aliens. Of course, everybody knows there are aliens by now. I haven't found anybody that videos them every day like this. Poor Old Faithful. I feel bad. Usually I'm aimed at him right now. So, I guarantee you, all that shit in the air is electromagnetic. Oh my fucking god. That is fucking nuts. Just to show you, I'm on the lake where I always am. There's the houses across the way. Okay, we're going back up to this fucking thing, whatever it is. Oh, is this good enough content for you YouTubers, I guess? For us, I guess I'm a YouTuber. I'm not cutting on anyone, but I've just been watching a lot of videos lately, and they don't have anything in comparison to this shit. Holy fuck? And plus 2 aircrafts overhead. I don't even know if it's the moon. Is the moon come up in the southwest? Oh my god, into the naked eye, it's a third full. Holy fuck. Can I take a picture of it? Take pictures of it. Hold still, motherfucker. Take a couple quick snaps of it. Alright. I had to rest my arms because both my arms, my shoulders are fucking hurting now. Look at this, it's gonna do it again. I can't get away from this thing. How is this for content, huh? 2 fucking crafts up ahead, overhead, and the moon coming up in the southwest and fucking like pulsing. Oh my god, it's like shooting out ships. I think I can see ships coming out of it. Oh my god, dude. Okay, I'm gonna go because I don't want to bore the living shit out of you guys. But that is just something else like I've never seen in my life. I went around the corner and I tried to trick him. He's still there. He's gonna burst out and pulse on us again. Holy fuck, man. This is some crazy content. What'd I say? Every night is something different. Look at the air all around it. Why is it fucking like got like orange spider webs or spongy looking things? Okay, moon air. My buddy Old Faithful right here in the middle. And yes, I think we're under attack. I've already called the National Reporting Agency. Alright, got this guy right here. This Junior. I guess I'm going to classify that as Junior. Back over the driveway. If you've seen my other videos, you've seen the lay of the land. Moon, a third full. Oh, let me get it in with the trees so nobody thinks I'm like making this shit up. You can't make this shit up, dude. I don't even know how to edit a video, let alone fucking fake some shit. Let's see if I can get the moon with Old Faithful. That'd be fucking pretty cool, huh? Nope. I almost dropped the phone again. Pulsing moon. Pulse. Pulse again. Do it 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 again. Pulse. Pulse. Pulse like you just did. Pulse. I don't know how to prove that I'm seeing a third of a moon right now with my naked eye. I wonder if there's a... Oh my god, my eyes are just starting to hurt. I think it's because the wind. Okay. Over and out. I'm going to come back out in an hour and see what's up with this motherfucking crazy fucking thing going on here. Holy fuck. You hear that noise? Alright. Well, 95 is right down the road. Interstate 95. I just gave away my position.